Hello everyone. So today let us make artificial intelligence using Neat Python. So basically nowadays artificial intelligence AI is a hot topic, and so today we'll discuss about NEAT. So NEAT, it is nothing but an evolutionary algorithm that creates artificial neural network. So today let's see how it happens. So okay. So first of all, I'll show you one demonstration for CMOD control car. I name this CMOD because it is both self-driving and remote control. So let's see how it works. So basically, as you can see, I'll run my Python 3 pycar.python. So after I run it, it is showing me that this is the demo for both self-driving and remote control car. So the controller can control the car, and the car will just follow the instruction. For example, I am just clicking on start button, and my car will keep trying to go and find the path. So which is the best path for it? So basically, how it is working. So basically, first of all, the car don't know about the road, right? So what will happen? So the car will go and go till it is very much familiar with the road, because in the road it can be in different form. It could be a straight road, it can be a curved road. So right now the car is using 5 radars. So that's why number of input is 5 and number of output is 3, because it has 3 direction. It can go either left, right, or it can go for straight forward. So yeah, now you can see the car. So yeah, it is likely it is about to get good result, because it is getting a good output out of the road. Because see, when the number of cars, so it is decreasing, and finally there is some car that finally get the car angle, and it is just rotating. So I can simply stop, and the car will stop at the same position. So that's how we can control the car, and the car is learning how to follow the path. So that is all about the demonstration of this project, and let's see how it is basically working. So let me keep it here, and let me go for the code first. So in the code, initially we are using one config file. So here it is basically what it's doing. It is giving me all the configuration about my net Python. So how I am using my network parameters and all, for example, my input layer, my output layer, and hidden layer. So basically how net is working, I'll show you. So yeah, NEAT. So it is basically the term for neuroevolution of augmenting topologies. So here the terms come genome, and it is nothing but set of genes, and each gene is nothing. It is keeping the information of particular node or creation. So if you are familiar with this term, so is I know that it is very much familiar to you. So there's one fitness function. So whenever the car is learning, so it is basically reinforcement learning. It is getting some reward out of the input, and after that, if it is a positive feedback, then it will take it, and like that, it will give me more and more fitness will increase. So basically, there are three kind of layers. One is input layer, and this gives the output to the hidden layer, and finally we get some output layer. So basically, this is how our network is working in the net. So in our project, what is needed is, first of all, you should use Python 3 or above. So first sudo apt install Python 3, and after that you should read the command that pip install pygame. So pygame is required because we are using gaming in Python, and this net Python is needed for artificial neural network, and for the GUI we are using Python auto GUI. So py auto GUI. So you should install all this. So this is the prerequisite for this. And after you do this, so yeah, as here's the code. So as you can see, I have using population.run, this run car, and this is 1000 is nothing, but this 1000 is showing this is a maximum genome threshold. And after I am just running this function run, so what it will do, it will create some genomes with some population size. And there is my run car function. So you can see the genomes and config. So basically what is happening here, it is creating my feed forward network, and I am using the car class because car class is needed because we are using car so in this game. So for demo, so we need this, and these are the buttons I am using. So you can add more buttons to control the game, and this is how the game is working. So basically so initially from different cars, so it will get the input, right? So this car dot get data is giving my data for every car, and after this it will, each car will give some data. So after getting the data, we'll get some reward out of each car. If the reward is positive, then we'll add this to the fitness. So it is giving me fitness function. So it will take the fitness, this is the reward from the car, and it will give me the reward. So like that, we'll take and get the best result, and we'll give the reward. And like that, we'll adjust the curve angles, and finally we see that our program is running. So yeah, so now let's see. So I have already shown you the demo. So you can start, and the car will follow the route. So when you want to stop, so you can stop, and if you want to quit, means you are done with the demo, so you can just, it is showing you for the user friendly, that are you sure you want to quit. I said yes, so it is done. So that's the my interface for Pygame. And okay, now I'll do one thing. I will show you. For example, you want to change the car, right? So what you can do, you can simply go to the file, and for example, I don't want that car, I want some different car now. So here you can see in the car, I can simply change my car. So let me change to car 2. So if you are changing your car, so again you can run, and now you can see your car is changed. So again you can start, and your new car will again learn this route, and this new car will just follow your instruction and follow the path to reach to the destination. So as you can see, so the car is changed, and similarly you can change the route also. So basically what you have to do, you have to go to Python, and whenever the route I have defined, for example, in this case, so map.png, so you can change this to map2 or something. So in that case, the map will also just it will change. So because there can be several route and car don't know every route, so for each route you have to just run some generation, and after that you will get the result. So let me give some real life implementation for my self-driving and remote control car. So for example, you are at home, so this is the path you are following every day, and you are going to office. So now you are driving your car from home to office, but now you don't want that your car to be stay in your office, because by that time, whenever the whole day you are in office and your son may be there in your home, you want that car. So you just want your car to go to the home, and you will be remain in office. So how can the car go? So every day you are coming, right? So in that way you can make your car learn the route. So once it is done, the car will know. So the route map of this road is already there in the mind of the car. So that is what we call neural network and artificial intelligence. So that's how the car will know the route, and you can simply, just like user control, you can control the car. You can just go click that, yeah, now you can click to the start, so your car will start like remote controlling, and the car will go follow the route, same route. For example, there is some another car is coming, and there is a chance of accident. So in that case, what you can say, you can simply go and stop your car. And for example, you want to reverse the car somewhere, you want to go your car to go back in the same road, so you can simply add another button for reversing, and likewise you can change the speed. And how to know that if there is some other car or something, the obstacles is there. So basically what you can do, you can simply put one camera in your car, so that you can monitor it from your remotely monitor it from wherever you are working. So like that, it will be very easy, remote control, and it's also self-driving. So you can make it in real life application, so that will be very helpful in artificial intelligence. And that's how the technology is coming, and nowadays we are developing, right? So yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much, hope you like it.